So I'm going to share with you how to protect yourself physically, but also cybersecurity measures. We'll start with cyber. We know that criminals love hacking things, especially passwords. So to create a password, what I like to do is first think of whatever words pop in my mind. You know, first thing that comes to my mind doesn't matter. Then I'm going to replace some of the letters with numbers, punctuation. I want it to be about 12 to 14 characters in length. And of course, we know to put in uppercase and lowercase. So since I'm not the world's most creative guy, let's say Rachael Ray and food is what I want my password to be, because that's what comes in my mind. So I put Rachael Ray food, and then I'm going to pop in some of those numbers. I'm going to pop in some of those exclamation points.
This is why I get hacked all the time, because it would take me days to remember that gobbledygook.
Well, you put it in a safe place, obviously, but that's a password that nobody's going to hack once I've taken Rachael Ray food and done it.
So how do you remember all these crazy-looking passwords?
So it depends. There are services online where you can store them, password vaults. Also, I know people who go old school and just write them on paper and they keep them in a safe in their house. Like they'll have a safe with a 3-digit combination where all their passwords are.
So you got to open your safe to get your password.
Exactly.
To turn your computer on to order your Amazon
Find out what
grocery
is
list.
easiest that works for you.
So what I maybe do and store them on the notes in my phone is probably a bad idea, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Very bad idea. Yes, do not
I'm going to stop that right away. I'm not going to do that anymore.
Keep it in a secure vaulted place.